In Python, list pop is a method that removes an item from a certain point in the list. Let's do a quick example to see what list pop does in Python. We'll also see how to pop last element from list in Python. L equals a list with 1, 2, and 3. L dot pop. Print L. If we run this code, we'll see L contains just 1 and 2, so pop removed the last item from the list. Okay, if that's removing the last item, how to pop first element in list in Python? We'll keep our same list and do L.pop with an argument of 0. This argument is the index of the element to remove, hence the 0. If we run this code, we'll see pop removed the first element. Just a note here, this is inefficient on larger lists as the rest of the elements in the list have to shift forward by 1 to fill the empty space. Next, how to pop a specific element from a list in Python. We'll use the list index method for this. Let's keep the print and initial list. L.pop of L.index of 2. This says, give me the index of the element 2, then remove the item at that index. If we run the code, we'll see the 2 removed. Okay, what does list pop return in Python? If we remove the middle line and just make the print be L.pop and run that code, we'll see pop returns the element it removed, 3 in this case. Last, can you pop empty list in Python? Let's try it. L equals empty list. L.pop. If we run the code, we'll get an error that is literally named for not being allowed to do this. In Python, list append is a method that lets you add one item to the end of the list. Let's do an example. L equals a list with 1, 2, and 3. L.append 4. Print L. If we run this code, we'll see L is now a list with 1 through 4. So this example answers a couple of different questions. Does append mutate in Python? Yes, append mutates as it modifies the list directly and doesn't return a new list. What does append return in Python? Append returns nothing, or more specifically, none. Append returns none as it doesn't return a new list, it modifies the existing list. What does append do in Python? It adds a single element, in this case the integer 4, to the end of the list. The next thing y'all probably want to know is append O of 1? Append is amortized O of 1, meaning, and I'm oversimplifying this a bit, most of the time append is O of 1, but sometimes it takes longer when the list must be expanded in size internally. Let's do one last example to answer, can you append a list to another list in Python? L equals a list with 1 and 2. L.append a list with 3 and 4. Print L. If we run this code, you'll see we appended the list, but the list is now not flat as we literally just added the whole list in as a single element. Use the list extend method if you want to combine two lists and want the resulting list to say the same dimension of the lists you're adding together. This has been Jakubication. Like and subscribe to learn more.